Good morning, everyone. My name is Ritika from BSc Chemistry Honors Final Year. Today, our topic is steroids of Organic Chemistry from Pradeep publication by Dr. S.N. Dhawan. Introduction. Steroids are a group of structurally related compounds which are widely distributed in animals and plants. This includes steroids, a number of sex hormones, and adrenal cortex hormones. The structures of these steroids are based upon 1,2-cyclopentanone of phenane nucleus. In fact, a steroid may be defined as any compound which gives, among other products, dial's hydrocarbon on dehydrogenation with selenium at 633 Kelvin. However, if the dehydrogenation is carried out at a higher temperature, 693 Kelvin, steroids mainly give kerosene along with a small amount of piscine. As shown above, diels hydrocarbon, kerosene and piscine are all polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons. Classification of steroids. Some important classes of steroids along with their representative examples are briefly described below. Sterols Sterols are crystalline compounds and contain one alcoholic group. They occur in animal and plant oils and fats, either free or as esters of higher fatty acids. They are broadly classified into three categories. First, zoosterols. Sterols which are obtained from animal sources are called zoosterols. For example, cholesterol, cholestanol, and coprostanol. Second is phytosterols. Sterols which are obtained from plants are called phytosterols. For example, stigmasterol and pitta-cetosterol. Third, mycosterols. Sterols which are obtained from yeast and fungi are called mycosterols. For example, ergosterol. This classification is, however, not rigid since some sterols are obtained from more than one source. Cholesterol C27H46O. This is a sterol of higher animals. It occurs either free or as fatty esters in all animal cells, particularly in the brain and spinal cord. It was first isolated from human gallstones, which consist almost entirely of cholesterol. The main sources of cholesterol are the fish liver oils and the brain and spinal cord of cattle. Lanolin, the fat from wool, is a mixture of cholesterol, palmitate, stearate, and oleate. It is also present in significant quantities in egg yolk. Cholesterol is a white crystalline solid with melting point 422 Kelvin. It is optically active. In fact, cholesterol has 8 chiral carbon atoms and hence 256 stereoisomers, and cholesterol is one of these. Look at the structure of cholesterol. It consists of a side chain containing 8 carbon and a nucleus containing 19 carbon atoms. The nucleus consists of four rings designated as A, B, C, and D, beginning from the six-membered ring on the left. The nucleus also contains two angular methyl groups at C10 and C13. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is also called anti-rachitic vitamin. It is essential for bone formation. It also controls the calcium and phosphorus metabolism. Vitamin D, more precisely vitamin D2, was obtained by photochemical irradiations of ergosterol. Thus, ergosterol is pro-vitamin D2. Vitamin D2 is called ergocalciferol. Bile acids. Bile acids is a secretion of the liver and is stored in the gallbladder. The bile acids occur in the bile of most of animals as amides with either glycine or taurine. The bile acids occur as sodium salt and they act as emulsifying agent in the intestinal tract. In other words, fats which are insoluble in water are rendered soluble by bile acid which emulsify them. As a result, fats are absorbed in the intestine. Most of the bile acids are hydroxy derivatives of either 5 beta cholinic acid or 5 alpha cholinic acid. About 20 natural bile acids have been characterized and many others are synthetic. The positions of the hydroxyl groups are any of the following: 3, 6, 7, 11, 12, and 23, and in all of the natural bile acids the configurations of the hydroxyl groups are alpha. Some of the more important bile acids are cholic acid, deoxycholic acid, litholic acid, canodeoxycholic acid, and alpha hydroxycholic acid. The structures of the three most important bile acids are below. Sex hormones. Hormones are organic substances secreted by endocrine glands acting at a site other than that of their origin. They are required in very little amounts for their psychological functions in the body. Classification. Although the hormones are not related chemically, they can be grouped together on the basis of their similar psychological activities. About 80 such compounds are known, of which about half have a steroid nucleus, while the other half are non steroidal in character. Steroidal hormones are of two types: sex hormones and adrenocortical hormones. Sex hormones are steroids which are responsible for primary sexual process and secondary characteristics such as voice, hair, texture of skin, etc., which differentiates males from females. They are produced in gonads, testes in the males, and ovaries in the females. Sex hormones are of the following three types. First, estrogens are female sex hormones which control the menstrual cycle in women. Representative examples are: second, androgens are male sex hormones. Important examples are testosterone and androsterone. Gestogens are the hormones of the corpus luteum, a tissue of the ovary colored yellow by carotene. These are responsible for maintenance of pregnancy. Representative examples are adrenocortical hormones. These are produced in the cortex of the adrenal glands. These are 29 in numbers and are collectively referred to as corticoids. Corticoids have many psychological functions, but their main functions are the carbohydrate and the protein metabolism and the control of the balance of water and electrolytes. Some important examples are cortisone, corticosterone, and 11 deoxycorticosterone. Thank you.